Hey there, aspiring hackers! Welcome back to our ethical hacking course. If you're here, you're probably eager to dive deep into the world of hacking, but with a twist, doing it ethically and legally. Want to dive into the world of ethical hacking without landing in jail? Trust me, the last place you want to end up is behind bars because of a hacking mishap. Then you've clicked on the right video. We're here to guide you through the maze of legal and ethical considerations that every ethical hacker must navigate. Today, I'm breaking down Module 2 of our ethical hacking course, Legal and Ethical Considerations. This module is crucial because understanding the legal landscape is just as important as knowing how to hack. First, let's talk legal frameworks. These are the laws and regulations that govern what you can and cannot do as an ethical hacker. Ever heard of the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act? If not, you should. This US law makes unauthorized access to computers a federal crime. It's been around since 1986 and has been amended several times to keep up with the evolving tech landscape. This US law makes unauthorized access to computers a federal crime. Violating it can lead to severe penalties, including hefty fines and imprisonment. Then there's the GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation. This EU law protects personal data and privacy. It's one of the most stringent data protection laws in the world and has set a high standard for data privacy. This EU law protects personal data and privacy. If you're dealing with data from EU citizens, you need to be extra cautious and ensure compliance. And don't forget about your local laws, they matter too. Different countries have different regulations and it's your responsibility to be aware of them. What happens if you ignore these laws? Not fun stuff, my friend. You could face some serious consequences. Think fines, imprisonment, and a nice shiny criminal record. You could face some serious consequences. Think fines, imprisonment, and a nice shiny criminal record. And trust me, that's not the kind of street cred you want. Trust me, that's not the kind of street cred you want. A criminal record can haunt you for the rest of your life, affecting job prospects and personal relationships. Now let's move on to ethical guidelines. These are the principles that guide your actions as an ethical hacker. First and foremost, always get authorization. This means you need explicit written permission before you start any hacking activities. Do not, I repeat, do not hack without written permission. It's like breaking into someone's house, not cool and definitely not legal. Next up, responsibility. You have a duty to act responsibly and ethically at all times. When you're hacking ethically, you've got to maintain confidentiality and integrity. This means protecting the data you access and not using it for malicious purposes. Don't cause any harm. This isn't about showing off. It's about making systems better and safer. Your goal should always be to improve security, not to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain. When you find a vulnerability, disclose it responsibly to the concerned parties. This means notifying the organization or individual affected and giving them time to fix the issue before making it public. Don't go blabbing about it on social media. Publicly disclosing vulnerabilities without giving the affected parties a chance to fix them can cause more harm than good. Handle it like a pro, not like a teenager with a new toy. Professionalism is key in ethical hacking. Always conduct yourself in a manner that reflects well on you and the ethical hacking community. So there you have it, the essentials of staying legal and ethical in the hacking world. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your hacking activities are both legal and ethical. Stick to these guidelines, and you'll be on your way to becoming a respected ethical hacker. Thanks for watching. Remember, ethical hacking is not just about skills, it's about integrity and responsibility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on ethical hacking. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Stay safe and hack smart. GlobalNet. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.